gosh. I like that tree. It's really pretty. I wish I was a bird so I could live in there. I would fly off, come back, rest in this pretty tree. The life. Yeah, but then why is that rock right there next to the tree? I mean, who does that? I could fall out and hurt my head. That wouldn't be fun. Have to go to the birdie hospital. They'll probably fart in my face. I don't know why, but it'll probably happen. That would stink. Nasty. Real nasty. But anyways, I like my Hello Kitty ring. It's pretty nice. I like Hello Kitty. And my white bow in my hair. It's so pretty. Yeah, I get complimented on that a lot. No one thinks that they could be as pretty as me. Because I'm the beautifulest in the whole world. I'm gonna stomp them down. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you don't know. Where did that car come from? Where did the car come from? Where did it come from? I'm scared. I'm scared. It's gonna be scary. Oh my gosh, what was that noise? What was that noise? It sounds like a farting bird. Oh my gosh! What is it? It's right there. Oh my gosh! Aliens! Aliens! No! No! Run! Run! Run for cover! Run! Run!